Hey y'all, it's Ashley. Today we're going to be turning $7 tree picture frames into a full Hearth screen, all for under $10. So here's everything I'm using. So how did I get here? Well, I needed something decorative that could also block my tiny little rabbits from sneaking over and chewing the wood on the fireplace surround. This little Hearth screen ended up being the perfect solution. First things first, I'm going to clean everything with alcohol. Dollar Tree frames always come covered in some kind of weird mystery grime, so I just like to give everything a once over with some alcohol or water. Since both the front and the back will be visible, we want to paint both sides of each frame. And be careful, the glass in these frames is really thin and rough and surprisingly sharp. Once the paint is dry, we're going to glue that glass right down inside of the frame. That way nothing shifts while we build. I'm just going to use some hot glue. But if you get hot glue where you don't want it, alcohol will take it right off. So here's the plan. We're going to super glue where the frames touch. I'm going to run a little bit of hot glue for the immediate hold on the outside, and then I'm going to put a piece of tape over the seams. I'm also going to glue the Dollar Tree skewer across the bottom for extra stability. You can get at least 3 frames with one stick. And definitely cover your workspace. Glue will ruin the finish on your table. Start by adding super glue anywhere the frames meet. Going to wipe away any glue that squeezes out before it dries. Then you're going to add hot glue on top for that instant hold. To stabilize everything, I'm going to use white vinyl as my tape strip, but you can use any tape. Masking tape works great and it can be painted to match. This keeps the seams clean and prevents glue from leaking out. Now we're going to build the front. So there are 7 frames total, 5 across the front and 1 on each side. Mine is wider because it doubles as a small animal barrier as well. Now I do not recommend this for dogs or cats, but my rabbits are 2 and 3 pounds, and they're 6 and 7 years old, so nobody's jumping over this from a hard floor. I just needed to remove that temptation to chew the fireplace, and this works really well. These long skewers are from the Dollar Tree, and you can find those in the grilling section. Now I'm going to glue the skewers across the bottom of the Hearth screen. Instead of starting at the very end, I'm starting here in the middle. That way, this gives the opposite side room for the skewer to fit on, and that's just going to add another layer of support and another connection point. I'm going to attach the skewer with hot glue, and a lot of it. Now I'm going to add that third picture frame. Don't forget to glue that skewer down too. Let's just go ahead and add a strip of tape over this skewer for a little bit extra support. Okay, so now we're going to add the side pieces. Make sure you lay everything out first so you know exactly where every frame is going. I almost forgot to account for the skewers on mine. Same process here. Super glue first, hot glue for immediate hold, and tape to secure the seam. Here's that hot glue. Go ahead and add some tape to those outside corners. And now the inside. Keep an eye out for any weak points as you go. It's easier to reinforce them now than later. I connected the two main pieces in the middle. Now I lost the footage of this, but it's the exact same process we've done. Super glue where they meet, hot glue on top, tape over the seam, and make sure the skewers connect to the opposite side. Here's a quick look at the full structure and where they connect. And here are those finished photos, clean, bright, and under $10. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this Dollar Tree hearth screen, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and check out my full playlist of budget-friendly home decor projects. And as always, I'll see you in the next one.